understand it, why you felt alone. You were in it for real. She was in her phone and you were just a pose. And don't we try to love, love